Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to Honolulu, Daniel K. Inouye International Airport. Local time is 10:20 a.m. We'll be taxiing for the next few moments. For your continued comfort safety, please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off, and the aircraft has been completely final stop at the gate. Please check above your seat area and overhead compartments or articles you have brought with you today. We'll be in the gate for a few minutes, so please remain seated. We will be exiting through the door. Please watch your step. You can use your cell phones. Just make sure you keep your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Thank you.